Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are thinking about launching an online store but you are worried about upfront cost, then that's a good news. In this video, I will show you how to use the Shopify free trial and $1 per month deal to test your online business idea without breaking the bank. So without any further ado, let's jump into it. So basically how the free trial plus $1 deal works actually. So here's how it works. Shopify usually give new user a 3-day trial, and after that you can continue for just $1 per month for your first 3 months. Here actually you can see the result over here. I am using this trial in right now, and if I just click the select plan in here, you can see I am getting $1 per month for the first 3 months. This is the offer I am getting right now. So this means you get full access to Shopify's powerful e-commerce tools, themes, products, listings, secret checkout, and more for next to nothing. It is one of the easiest and most affordable ways to see if your business idea really works. Now let's talk about how you can claim it. So basically, when you will go to the Shopify platform like this way, let's copy the Shopify link and then open an incognito or private window, and here actually you can see. So here you just need to go to the shopify.com or check the link in the video's description, and then when you will come over here, you just need to click this start for free. Once you click over here, you just need to pick your store name and answer a few questions. But before that, here you can see start your free trial, get 3 days free, then 3 months for $1. You just need to click over here, sign up with email, and then provide email address, password, and just click create Shopify account, and it will give you the authority to land it in dashboard. So once you are in, you will see the $1 for 3 months deal automatically applied. You don't need a special coupon. Shopify does it for you. Then why this deal is worth it? So basically, you can test your product idea, build your store, even start making sales all with almost no risks. You get time to design your site, upload your products, connect payment options, and see how everything works before committing to the regular plan. And if it is not for you, you can cancel anytime. No huge upfront investment, no stress. So if you have been waiting for the perfect low cost chance to launch your store, this is it. So now let's talk about the finishing. So that's it for today. A super simple way to use Shopify's free trial plus the $1 deal to test your online business idea today. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy e-commerce tips, and comment below. What kind of a store are you planning to launch? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Good luck with your store.